Hi everyone, Codeforces question for today is red and blue. This is a div2b problem. This is 1000 rated. So moving to the question, monocarp has a sequence A consisting of n plus m integers, a1, a2 till an plus m. He painted the elements in two colors, red and blue. N elements were painted red and all other m elements were painted blue. After painting the elements, he has written two sequences, r1 to n, all the red, and b1 to bm. The sequence R consisted of all red elements of A in order they appeared in A, means these are in order in which they appeared in A. And similarly, B balls are in order in which they appeared in the original sequence. Unfortunately, the original sequence was lost. The original sequence, this one, is lost. Monocarp only has the sequences R and B. These two sequences he is having. He wants to restore the original sequence. He wants to restore original sequence. In case there are multiple ways, he wants to choose a way to restore that maximizes the value of this. We have to maximize this. And what is this? This is either 0 or the first sum of first element, or this simply means the maximum subarray sum. Not subarray sum, maximum cumulative sum, where at what index we shall get the maximum cumulative sum. Either taking no element or taking first element or adding sum of first two elements or first three elements till first n plus m elements. Maximum prefix sum, we shall say this for the original sequence. Now we have to maximize f a. We are given two sequences. So how shall we do this? This is a very interesting tricky question involving cumulative sum. But how to know what to do? One thing we know is that we have to take some elements from R and some elements for B and maximize the sum. Other thing we know is these are in order. So suppose if we want to take the third element, we are bound to take the first two elements. If we want to take the last element, we have to take the first three elements too. Similarly for the B array, if we want to take 3, then we will have to take 2. So this is one thing. Now what choice do we have? We can take all the elements, we can take 3 elements, we can take 2 elements, we can take 1 element, and similarly from these, or take no element, right? So this is what we will do. Take some prefix sum from this and some prefix sum from this, and we shall arrange these values in adding. These values are already ordered, these will come in order, but we can arrange from R and B in any order, right? So we can take some sum from R, red balls, and some sum from B, blue balls. So this is what we shall do. First of all, we shall calculate a cumulative sum, prefix sum for red balls, then prefix sum for blue balls, and then we shall find out. We shall put a loop. These are till 100 length both. So if we put a loop on both the arrays, that shall be 10 to the power 4, so it is fine. We shall put two loops, one for red balls, one for blue balls for each index. That shall give us the prefix sum till that index, means taking 0 red balls and all the for one blue ball, taking 0 red ball and taking two blue balls, 0 red ball, 3 blue balls. Similarly, 0 blue ball, 1 red ball, 0 blue ball, 2 red balls, 1 red ball, 2 blue balls. So this way all the indexes we have to check for the prefix sum. Wherever we shall get the maximum value, that shall be our answer. So this is the trick in this question. Moving to the solution, we have taken t test cases and it's the number of red balls. So we have created an array A for red balls. We have taken all the inputs. Similarly, we have taken am input, and for blue balls we have created array B, taken all the inputs. What is our next task? Our next task is to calculate the cumulative sum or the prefix sum array. So the cumulative sum or prefix sum array stores the sum of all the numbers till that index. So in this, if we do not take any value, so the index 0 stores 0. For first index we shall have the first array element. For second index we shall have the sum of first and second element. So this is the cumulative sum array. We have created one for A red balls and one for blue balls. Now how shall the indexing go? Our elements are 0, 2 and minus 1. But in cumulative sum array we shall store the sum of first element at first index. Right. So our indexing for cumulative sum array will be plus 1. So what shall be the cumulative sum for first index? Shall be A0 element plus the previous cumulative sum for previous index. Cumulative sum for previous index. So this shall store the cumulative sum for all the indexes. In cumulative sum A, similarly we shall calculate a prefix sum for B or cumulative sum for B for all the indexes. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out just the maximum sum. Maximize the function, so maximum, which shall initially be 0, because 0 also, for 0 red balls 0 blue balls, so maximum is 0. Function has maximum 0. Now this loop is for red balls, taking 0 red balls or 1, 2 or 3, or taking all red balls. Similarly the second loop is for blue balls, 0 blue ball till all am blue balls. Now we have to find out the maximum, so maximum is method max or sum of I blue balls, ith index blue balls plus sum of jth index blue balls, means 0 red 1 blue, 0 red 0 blue, 0 red 1 blue, 0 red 2 blue, 0 red 3 blue, and so on. After that it will move for 1 red 0 blue, 1 red 2 blue, similarly. So these two loops shall give us the maximum for the function. This was the trick and simple solution for this question. This is how prefix sum array is created and used. This was the approach. I hope you guys would have understood it. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.